Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Today we're going to do Addmaths chapter 2 question. Okay, chapter 2 Addmaths chapter 2 form 4 with me. So let's go. So chapter 2 is quadratic equation. So this question, you can take this question from textbook, formative practice. Okay, so how to solve this question? The quadratic equation x square plus p bracket p minus 5 bracket x plus 2q equals 0 has roots -3 and 6. Find the value of p and q. Find the value of p and q. So the roots, they have given the roots. What's meaning of roots? Roots means x. Okay, vice versa. X means roots means x. So they have given the roots -3, roots -3 and roots -6. So now how are you going to solve this question? First, you need to draw a table. Okay, so divide into this type of columns, components like this. Okay, and then here will be your roots. Divide another component over here and then divide into 2. Then here will be your SOR and here will be your POR. So what is SOR and what is POR? So SOR is your sum of roots and your POR is product of roots. Okay, and here will be your equation. Here will be your equation. Here will be your roots. So the roots given there is -3 and 6. -3 and 6. So if sum of roots means you're going to plus. So basically I'm going to name this as x and y. So x plus y, you will be getting -3 plus 6. Okay, so -3 plus 6 is 3. Next one, the product of roots, you're going to multiply. So x times y, you will be getting xy. Okay, xy. So -3 times 6, you will be getting -18. Okay, so after this, I'm going to highlight this answer. Oops, I'm going to highlight this answer. -18 and 3. And then let's go for the equation. So this is the equation, right? So this is the equation. I'm going to copy this equation down. X squared plus p minus 5 x plus 2q equals 0. And the general form they have given there in textbook is, this is the general form. General form they have given there in textbook. You can use your textbook as your reference. Okay, and then minus SOR x plus POR equals 0. So this is your general form. This is your general form equation. You need to memorize this very important equation. So I'm going to paste down here and then I'm going to paste this. I'm going to bring this down here so that we can differentiate it. Okay, so This one we no need to see because we are not going to use this. We only going to use the SOR and the POR here, which is the sum of roots, the sum of roots, which is plus, and the product of roots, the product of roots. Roots means x. Okay, so now okay, so the SOR is negative p, negative positive is negative 5, and while the POR is 2q. So you can just write here 2q from the equation and negative p, negative 5, because you need to change the symbol so that you will be getting positive over here. So how you going to do? Okay, so I already set it up. Let's go and see. Okay, we're going to find the value of p. Negative p plus 5 equals to 3. Okay, negative p 3k. So this positive go down negative, so 3 minus 5 will be negative 2. Okay, so this one we can cut, we getting p to the p is equals to 2, and while this one we getting 2q equals to this answer negative 18. Q is equals to negative 18 divided by 2. Negative 18 divided by 2, you will be getting negative 9, and the answer will be Q equals to negative 9, and the P equals to 2. This is your final answer. Final answer completed. Thank you for watching my video.